Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Hey, Glyn here, and I just created you an online business that I'm going to put into action right here, right now. I've shared on your screen your brand new system, and now I'm going to turn it on by clicking my mouse a few times. 3, 2, 1, and it's ready to go. Believe it or not, it's as easy as that for me to start making money. This new system is up and running, and every day it makes me at least $400. It may seem too good to be true, but the money you see on the screen is real. That's $400 that was made in minutes using this brand new system. Keep watching this short video because in a few minutes I'm going to hand you a done-for-you system that you can use to get daily results just like me. In fact, your account is already working in the background as you watch this video. I'll check on your account in a few minutes. My doors won't be open forever though, so time is definitely of the essence. My doors will be closing when the timer on this page hits 0, so don't miss your chance to use the same system that makes me $400 per day. You're one of the lucky few to receive a private invitation to use this system. You're very lucky to be here, so don't lose this opportunity, as others are begging to receive an invite to this system. They've heard about the huge success my partners are having, so if you decide to leave, the next person in line will get full access to the account that is already blowing up that I set up earlier. But I wanted to invite you first because I know you've been looking for a way to make money online and have failed and failed. But this isn't your fault. The truth is, the internet is full of scam artists. They promise you millions of dollars overnight and hide all the real ways to make money online. This is why you haven't made any money yet. You need to get out of the circle of lies and need to be guided in the right direction. Check out what I've been able to produce in just 4 short years. This unique system has generated me a fortune. Here's one of my bank accounts with just over $1 million in it. Pretty amazing, right? In total, my system has made me over $2 million in my 5 short years on the internet, which is incredible. But how does this help you? Well, I'm allowing you today to copy the exact same system that made me my fortune. I've already set up your account earlier in this video using the same system that I'm using right now to continue making millions of dollars every single year. I let a few people join earlier this week and I was already able to pay them this. I just sent this payment to Tony yesterday, who has only had my system for 30 days. His first payment, I was able to PayPal him $1,000 directly. Jessica's account was set up just yesterday. She has already received a payment of $900 in less than 7 days. Sarah was worried that her system wouldn't work because she only has a cell phone and no computer. I had to assure her that all she had to do was sign up. I would set up her account and set up her system for her. I reminded her that I take care of all the work for my partners. All I asked of her was to check on her phone since she didn't have a computer to make sure this is actually working for her. I do all of the work for my partners like you because I know that the technical work involved to make money online is just too much of a headache and too time-consuming for most people. But my systems are already making you money right now. I just need you to activate your account below and I'll take care of the rest. You're probably thinking, well, how is all this possible? Well, it's all thanks to a loophole we discovered that allows us to get unlimited free traffic and generate commissions from any affiliate website in the world. Personally, I direct all my traffic to ClickBank because that's where I make the most money. And if you're wondering, no, this isn't techie at all. Tony and Sarah, who I spoke about earlier, both have zero computer skills and they both have never made money online. But once again, I'm going to do all of the work for you and get things set up. I just need you to check your stats a few times a week to make sure you're seeing something coming into your accounts. I'm sure you'll have a smile on your face when you log into ClickBank. I can't share with you how it works in this public video, but when we activate the system, it oddly helps me and my members make more money. So this is a real win for both of us. So if you're sick of struggling to make ends meet and you're frustrated about not getting any real results online, maybe worried about what the future holds, then this is the perfect solution for you. Would you like $400 in affiliate commissions over and over again without having to pay a penny for traffic? Because that's exactly what myself and my current members are seeing on a daily basis. I want you to forget everything you know about trying to make money online and picture this instead. Number one, we give you free traffic. If you want to make money online, you need to send traffic to an affiliate offer, and we're handling this for you. Number two, our done-for-you system has a unique way of handling traffic so that it quadruples over and over. This is our secret sauce. Then finally, number three, this unique system that helps us make $400 per day every day. All you have to do is decide how often you're going to use the system. Once a day, twice a day, the choice is yours. Everything else is automated instantly. This is finally, for the first time ever, a legitimate and real online business system that you can rely on to keep running in the background 24/7, 365. It doesn't matter whether you're sleeping, watching a new movie on Netflix, or eating dinner at a 5-star restaurant, or boarding an airplane for an exotic vacation or retreat. This system keeps running without needing any maintenance or monitoring. You don't need a website, you don't need an email list, you don't need experience. And also, forget about paid traffic or losing any of your hard-earned money. This is a 100% free solution to make us, on average, $400 a day. I know this isn't $1 million overnight, like you've been told before, but anyone who promises you that much is flat out lying. $400 a day from the internet is a realistic number with the right system, and that right system is here, thanks to the loophole that we've discovered that helps us earn with websites like ClickBank. I need to put 15 more people into my system to reap the same rewards as myself and my current members. If this video is still playing, then you are in luck. As a matter of fact, while I make this presentation, I just sent out a check to Trevor, who joined yesterday, for a cool $100 in less than 24 hours. And yeah, speaking of paying my partners, let's take a look now at how much money my system has made whilst I've been speaking. Wow, $472 in just a few minutes whilst watching this video. Awesome. I think I'll treat the wife to an expensive steak tonight. This is live proof of just how powerful my system is. And once you sign up below and are on the inside, you'll have your very own account. My system generates typically $400 a day for people that use it on a daily basis. Within a few short minutes, this new account brought in over $400. This could soon be yours, and imagine what that could do for you. You could quit your job, take that desperately needed vacation, enjoy 100% stress-free financial freedom, and literally do whatever your heart pleases for yourself, family, and friends. So now that you've seen the success, it's time for me to really decide who can partner with me. I'm not looking to partner with anyone that has their doubts, and I can't just let anybody in without a small commitment, because it wouldn't be fair to those who were required to in the past. What I'm asking for today is a one-time partnership fee. You'll be able to see the exact amount under this video, and you'll see it's less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees at Starbucks. I'll never ask you for another dime. If I gave this out for free, can you imagine the headache I would have? Can you imagine the type of partners I would have to deal with if I just let anybody walk right in? This one-time fee lets me know who is serious and who isn't. I don't want to let anyone in who isn't serious about making money. I want to partner with people like you who are ready to make real money. Remember, I do all the work for you. Sound good? I pay all the services and expenses required to keep this going, which costs me over $100,000 every month. Once you've joined us, I just need to check your phone or computer to make sure things are working. I promise if you don't like what you see, you have an ironclad 180-day money-back guarantee. Heck, if you somehow aren't happy with this, just shoot me a message anytime and I will fully reimburse you. I'll even let you keep the system and the bonuses that are waiting for you on the other side. I reached out to a very skeptical person who is now in sheer awe of how much they've made in just a few short weeks. Kenny said, "This is the wildest thing to ever happen to me. I've been failing for years now trying to make money online. I almost gave up, but I received an invite from you 2 weeks ago and I was very hesitant because I've spent over $1,500 without making any money. I paid your small fee and thought I was throwing more money out the window, but I was immediately handed my new account that was already set up for me. It's been 2 weeks now, and here are a few screenshots attached of my accounts. I have one just over $400 and the other is $600. That's over $1,000 in 2 weeks just by letting you copy your system over to my accounts. The money has been hitting my bank accounts daily, and I'm finally able to start living my life financially free. I can't thank you enough, and by signing up, I'm truly one of the luckiest people alive right now. Thank you. Within just 2 weeks of signing up, Kenny made over $1,000. He believed that this was the answer he had been searching for, and he made the best decision of his life by signing up. As an additional bonus, I'll have a direct number for you to call as soon as you sign up. Give us a call whenever it's convenient for you to turbocharge your profits. This is a priceless bonus, as I want to absolutely make sure your new account gets you great results from day one. Speaking of your accounts, let's take another look at how much money we've made since I started recording this video. And wow, just like that, within a few minutes of rechecking this new account, we've made another $50. If this was your account, which it will be in just a few short minutes, your one-time membership fee would have already paid for itself. If the video is still playing, there's at least one spot left. Grab it before somebody else does and steals your new account that's already set up to make thousands of dollars this week. Sign up right now. Don't bookmark this page and expect it to still be here tomorrow, because I'm closing my doors tonight. The next person to watch this video is going to steal your account and keep all of the profits for themselves. Don't make the mistake of putting this off any longer. Sign up now and gain access to your new account which I set up for you. A small one-time fee for an account that's getting you out of that sticky hole you're currently in is an absolute no-brainer. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and watching you transform your life. Hurry up and sign up before somebody else steals your account.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.